First night in the National Forest up on the Monarch Crest on the Continental Divide. Tonight we're going to use this new shower curtain and solar shower that I made. How to manually get your shower hot. Just boil some water. The sun has already gone ahead and heated up the water pretty much. I just want it to be really nice and hot. It's a little work, but when you want a hot shower in the middle of the forest, it's really no work at all. Gonna go ahead and add some hot water as best we can. It's a little messy, but who cares? Okay, time to pressurize the shower. I like to use a Ryobi because it's battery packed. It's noisy, but it sucks, but it works. And that's pretty much how it works. I usually run about 20 psi. Went ahead and pressurized the shower. Let's see how it does. I think we're doing pretty good. That hot water through. Oh, that's nice and warm. Not bad for in the middle of nowhere. Oh my gosh. A hot shower in the middle of the Continental Divide. This is unreal. Woo! Beautiful. It definitely is nice. But I tell you what, you gotta be willing to bear it all. After 3 days, this is the best shower I've had in a while. Ooh, well, I will say that was one fantastic hot shower in the middle of the Continental Divide. Doesn't get much better than this. All packed up. You even can use the shower curtain for drying your towel.